To add notes to Shopify, you first need to enable order notes on your store. This feature allows customers to include additional information with their orders, such as special instructions or gift messages. Enabling order notes is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. Within Settings, click on the Checkout option. This will take you to the Checkout Settings page, where you can configure various aspects of your store's checkout process. On the Checkout Settings page, scroll down to the Order Notes section. Here, you will find an option to enable order notes. Click the checkbox next to this option to activate it. Once activated, customers will see a Notes field on the checkout page where they can enter any relevant information. After enabling order notes, you can customize the label and placeholder text for the Notes field. This allows you to tailor the language to fit your store's branding and customer experience. For example, you could change the label to Special Instructions and the placeholder text to Enter any special requests or instructions for your order. Once you have configured the order notes settings, click the Save button to apply your changes. With order notes enabled, customers can now include additional information with their orders. And you can view these notes in the Order Details page within your Shopify admin panel. To view order notes, navigate to the Orders section and click on the specific order that includes a note. On the Order Details page, you will see a section titled Notes, where you can view the customer's input. This information can be useful for fulfilling orders accurately and providing excellent customer service. Enabling order notes on Shopify is a simple yet effective way to enhance the customer experience and improve order fulfillment. By following these steps, you can configure order notes on your store and start receiving valuable feedback from your customers.